Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Thoughtful Leaders, an initiative under Thoughts on Education by collegedunia.com. College Dunia is one of India's leading educational portals catering to students, parents, and education industry players who are seeking information on exam, cutoff, student reviews, or applying to colleges. Thoughts on Education initiative is to enrich the user experience at collegedunia.com and try to bridge the long view gap between the vision of the top management and the student parents. Today, we have with us Dr. Sanjay Mishra sir, Principal at Shri L.R. Tiwari Degree College of Arts, Science and Commerce. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you.
I would like to begin by enlightening our audience with a brief introduction of yours. So, as I already said, today's our guest of honor is Dr. Sanjay Mishra sir. He is a passionate, dynamic and versatile personality with the thirst of knowledge. A man with a 20 plus years of teaching, consulting and administrative experience, worked in the capacity of principal, vice principal, advisory consultant, board faculty, assistant professor and visiting faculty at various schools, junior colleges, degree and management colleges in Mumbai. With a doctoral degree in management, there is a 3 master's degree and B.Ed. He stands as a true inspiration among his colleagues and his students. Currently, he is pursuing for law for a degree. He is research guide for PhD in management at Shri Jagdish Prasad Jhabarmal Tibrewala University, Rajasthan. He has also passed the Cambridge qualification, Cambridge Assessment English, certificate in the Advanced English, the C1 qualification. He also works as an advisory consultant for NAAC, that is National Assessment and Accreditation Council process for affiliated colleges. He has presented papers at international, national and state seminars, conferences, workshops, conclaves, symposiums, etc. and attended various FDP programs. He was awarded with the Best Teacher Award by the Lions Club Mumbai, shining on 6 September 27. Outstanding Faculty Mentor Award 2020 by Best Education. He was accredited as the expert speaker for Navbharat Times Planet Campus for career counseling for grade 10th and 12th for 2 consecutive years. So once again, welcome back to the show, sir.
Thank you very much, Ajay, for such a lovely introduction.
So beginning with the interview, my first question to you, sir. You have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector and how has your experience been so far for the institute?
Ajay, when I talk about my experience in the education sector, almost 22 years and above, I'm in this education sector. I started my journey as a school teacher. And then afterwards, slowly I got the promotion around to be as a principal of the school and the junior college. I have kept myself engaged around with various types of degrees. As I have already mentioned, you just already told me about in my introduction. Yeah. I kept on, studying around. I kept on, taking around a lot of degrees. I always wanted to achieve around something which is much more higher than what present level I am into. So I have worked around as a core faculty at the degree colleges, as a visiting faculty around in the management college, at the postgraduate institutes also. Today I am heading around the institute called as Shri L.R. Tiwari Degree College of Arts, Commerce and Science. So important is what my passion towards education as well as my love towards the students. That has kept me enlightened every time and kept me around in this particular sector from last almost more than 2 decades.
So, moving ahead to the next question, sir. Being the principal of Shri L.R. Tiwari Degree College, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your institute?
Basically, when I talk about the marketing, in my understanding, the best is the word of mouth. What my students speak about, what the college institute has given them, whether it is if the student satisfaction towards the teaching learning process, the innovation and the research oriented approach of our faculty members. That means what I understand is not just the bookish knowledge, but the knowledge beyond the book. And they would surely promote if they are satisfied with the college. I understand also that in today's digital world, marketing of the college and the college courses through the sites like College Dunia, as I am nothing but just on the platform of this College Dunia, they would help us around reach to the masses at large. as well as the segmented audience, the ranking provided by such digital platforms, the reviews of the stakeholders make a big impact on the college name, as well as the help around in marketing as well as promotion of the colleges. So I am very much fortunate. I am very much thankful around to College Dunia that those people have given me this particular opportunity to share my views about my college, as well as in what manner the programs and plans for marketing and administration of the college is being. Thank you.
So, moving ahead to the next question, sir. Being the principal of Sri L.R. Tiwari Degree College, what are your roles and responsibility towards students?
Towards the student, what I understand is students are the topmost stakeholders of any education institute. For me, my students are first. And I'll tell you, the existence of any education institute is only and only because of the student.
Right.
And I understand that each and every student is a unique individual with some sort of potential and capabilities. Okay, they have certain type of strength. What we need to do is we need to groom around this particular potential capabilities into the strength. We need to create leaders of tomorrow, the ones who can shoulder the responsibility as well as who can contribute towards the growth of our nation. For me, setting up of the performance objectives, setting up of the new benchmark, having around certain type of implementation program, monitoring around all those type of things, that is what very much important is. And this is as the responsibility of, as a principal of the institute is all about.
So, moving ahead to the next question, sir. How does the curriculum of Sri L.R. Tiwari Degree College ensure that the students are being prepared for the future?
When we talk about the curriculum is being framed by the University of Mumbai. As we are affiliated to University of Mumbai, we strictly follow the curriculum of the university. But along with that, various types of add-on courses, what is been provided. We have also planned around with some kind of skill development courses which are there. Means what we understand is not bookish knowledge beyond the books also will really help around the students. We do start up around with various types of webinars are there, seminars are there, which are conducted today at present in the virtual platform. As well as we look forward around once the colleges start physically, we look forward for organizing various type of curricular and co-curricular activities. And all this is going to help the students prepare themselves for the future. I would also like to share around that 2 days before only, my college has signed up an MOU with one particular NGO called as CNS India Foundation, and they are going to provide the training to the TY students, especially for a program called as Campus to the Corporate. In which the students will be groomed around in what manner they need to present themselves. It is much around of the personality development. It is about the communication skills. It is about the etiquette, what they need to follow. It is about how to write down a resume, how to crack down the interview. So all these type of skills which are being provided to the students. Ajay, I'm telling you that in this span of the 3 years of undergraduation program, the students just not study, but they prepare for their life, they prepare for their career, they prepare for their future. And college is there to support them for each and everything.
Right, sir. So, moving ahead to the next question, sir. How do you help your students to cope up with the competition being so high in the outside world?
See, coping up with the competition, I tell you, today's world is the world of cutthroat competition. And no one is spared around with this. The student needs to present themselves in some sort of unique manner to the world. When I talk about preparing themselves, important is understanding what type of skill a student do have. Today in my college, we are having more than 1,300 students studying around in art, commerce and science stream. So So giving them some sort of practical knowledge which would really help them enhance their capabilities, enhance them their potentials, okay, and prepare themselves around what is required in the world. Okay, my opinion, very specifically, it is my personal opinion. What I understand is the institute needs to have a gap analysis. Gap analysis between what? Between what is being taught and what is being needed in the corporate world. You know, there is a vast gap between that. And we at our college have taken the initiative of filling up that particular gap and preparing the student around to face the tough competition, preparing the student to, face around the interviews, face around, the world in a different manner, in a unique manner. You know, for that, few days before, we have also started up around with the research, innovation, and extension cell. We are also nothing but just planning to have a partnership with Atal Incubation Cell at Rambhav Mulghe Prabodhini, that organization. We have already sent a proposal letter to them. So in that manner, what are we trying to do is we are trying to create around an atmosphere where the students can come up around with some sort of ideas. Their ideas can be put into reality. So this way, the students to be prepared around for the future.
Right.
Thank you.
So moving ahead to the next question, sir. What would you like to people know about your institute that they may not know?
Okay, people to know about the institute.
Yeah.
First of all, know about the dynamic principle, which is there in college. I'm just kidding. Important is know about my students, know about my management. See, the management is very much key. Ajay, to just give you the brief about, when I talk about Sri L.R. Tiwari Degree College, L.R. Tiwari Degree College is a sister concern, which is run under the umbrella of Rahul Education. And Rahul Education at present is having 56 institutes under its umbrella. We being one of them. We are having in this campus where we are having more than 12 acres of land. We are having engineering college, law college, architecture college, degree college affiliated to University of Mumbai.
Yeah.
We do have a junior college run along with us that is affiliated to Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education. So, our institute is not new in the education field. From last 30 years, we are working, we are serving the society. Right from the school, that is a state board school, till state board school, CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE board school. We also have around higher education, separate section around for higher education. We do have DEd, B.Ed, M.Ed college. We are having Polytechnic college. And the projects in the pipeline is to start up around with the managemental college, to add up around with the PG program in this degree college, as well as to come up around with the physiotherapy, pharmacy colleges also in the near future. So what I want people to know about is that once when you take admission in our institute, right, your student, your ward is really going to be something different.
Yeah.
Your ward is really going to gain around what you people have dreamt for him or her. So not just the website of the college, but also the people all should visit the website of Rahul Education. They should come personally over here to see around such a big, huge campus. And I believe in today in Mumbai, we don't have much of the colleges with such a big and beautiful campus, wherein the students can be, trained around for NSF, for NCC, for the sports. The students can get around curricular, co-curricular activities, and so on.
Yeah. Right. So moving ahead to the
I would also like to add, important is my faculty members. They are the spine of this particular college. The quality-oriented, research-oriented faculty members, what I do have. They are the ones who are really working around at the grassroots level. Okay, whatever type of things, whatever type of strategies that we prepare, we make it around the paper. Those things are being given around a reality shot. Implementation around of all those things are done by the faculty members. So I understand if the college has good faculty members, the college is really going to boom. The college is really going to have around good name, and people would know about the institute through them also.
Yeah. Thanks. So now moving ahead to the next question, sir. As we all know how this pandemic affected education sector all over the world. So how does it affected your college specifically, and how is your college dealing with this situation?
Literally, I am missing my students. Literally. I have recently joined this institute. I was working around for Rahul Education for 17 years. I started my career around in Rahul Education in the year 1998. Until 2016, I was associated with Rahul Education. And then afterwards, I moved around to some town side, to take around much more experience of different institutes. So I happened to work around in other institutes also. Then afterwards, because I understand that Rahul Education is my house, is my family, and to return back to my house, return back to my family was always around very easy for me. With the blessings of my chairperson, Shri Lalan Tiwari ji, as well as the secretary, Shri Rahul Tiwari ji, I just came back around in the month of July. That was a time when everything was, affected around because of this pandemic. We had started up around with the classes also online under the guidance of University of Mumbai. So it was everything new for the teaching staff, new for the principal, new for the students. Because before the pandemic, it was just around 10-15% when we used to go online. But today, everything is 100% online. So it's a new normal what this particular pandemic has given to us. But what my college has done around is not just with the teaching learning process. We have done ample of research work. We have done a lot of webinars, a lot of seminars. We have given a lot of knowledge. We have shared a lot of knowledge around to the students, because somewhere understanding that the interest of the students lies around not just around in the completion of the curriculum or the reading around of the books. No, the students think around beyond that, and that is what, as per the need of the student, those things were been provided to them. I really wish that we all come out of this particular pandemic. The world heals up. I pray to the Almighty God that yes, everyone be safe, and we all come out of this pandemic, and we see the students again coming around to the colleges. The University of Mumbai, the ministry, Maharashtra state government, the central government, they are all keen. They are all working around to start with the degree colleges also very soon. We might see around all the things in the coming days.
So now let me ask you the final question for the day, sir. Any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Ajay,
Yeah.
to me, you are also a very aspiring and young, talented, dynamic fellow.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
See, what I understand is to the youths who are the future of my country. What I want around them to is always think around in an innovative manner. Come up around with some kind of ideas where no one has thought about. Always work for the research-oriented work. Important is keep on doing certain type of research. Take the help wherever you are stuck or whatever question answers if you need. You start browsing around different types of sites. Go through that. If you require any kind of support, any kind of help around from us, you can always visit the college. For this current youth, what I want you to say is, world is not an easy place to live. Okay, in this cutthroat competitive market, survival is very difficult. You know, there are thousands and thousands of people who are lost around their jobs, who have lost their career during this pandemic. Now, this kind of challenges can come in near future also. So, my dear students, you have to prepare yourself for the future in such a manner that if any sort of challenges do come to you or to your life, you sail through those particular challenges. Okay, so give the best wherever you are, whichever field, whether finance, whether in the HR, whether in the marketing, whether in the IT, whether in the media, wherever, whether in hospitality studies, whichever field you are, give your best and always be honest and sincere towards the work. Create your own environment, make around your work culture, so that people can learn around from you. Be a leader in your own field. That is what I would like to give, my suggestion to the current youth and the aspiring students. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. This was certainly an insightful session.
Thank you very much, Ajay.